The Office of the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills held a meeting with the traditional village heads to discuss a proposed landfill at Nonghali. The village heads expressed concerns about the landfill's impact on the Umken River, which 15 villages rely for drinking water and agriculture. Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba announced that the village heads will raise awareness about the landfill, assisted by the Urban Affairs Department and Pollution Control Board. A follow-up meeting will be held in a month, followed by a public hearing if necessary. However, Supar Rangait, president of Sinjuk Kinong Sinchar Shanong Wangdo Umken, expressed distrust in the government, demanding a proper agreement before the project begins.
Den dala syam lai pekat asap iki de syam maka egajing so jongki ro kaba long kaba ya bangin ne pekat wong namal beki pai ba nong sung ki bakta kan project ki khambut tingi happen sya iki happen snutu iki de larai menta ba nakaliang ki snong bangin lech ki snong ni pen ai kata awareness about of snong ban pen so tu beling idon kami kan project bandang tang sekendo pat hadin sipunai ban bangin la banya perkhat belum nungin fix ke public hearing hadian bagi pai ba bila suku ya ke dimento dengan ni project
dan akalang jungi rongi demand ba habai de bekane shwa ba country ni de ban sim daga agreement ka basai khnang ba kan long singanya ka menta ba di long den kelam ka agreement nginam la ban ya chikmat dengan project.
Minister A.L. Heg, while speaking